10th. We are here to introduce our new initiative on R.P.M News. We are going to keep you updated by covering events, activities and festivals and all the actions that take place in R.P.M Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New LAYAL PUR. Before we hit the bulletin, let's take a quick look at the headlines.
Science Fest was being organized by Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New LAYAL PUR.
National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Diwas is celebrated every year on 31st of October to commemorate the birth anniversary of first Indian Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
A science fest was being organized by Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New LAYAL PUR, Delhi. The fest took place on 19th October 2022, Wednesday, with great zeal and zest. Let's quickly look forward towards the event which took place in Science Fest. The first event was Crazy Creators. It was to awaken the creators within the students as they showed their ability through model making. The second event was to spin your science. In the event, students performed Science Podium with great enthusiasm. The third event was Science Free Quiz, in which students used all their knowledge and logical skills to compete with each other. The fourth event was Science Street. It was a very comprehensive and fruitful event. The guest of honor of the event was Mr. Surya Prakash Kapoor, who is an independent scientist working on eradication of natural disasters versus tropical cyclone. The jury of the event was a blower, MSc Biotechnology and a PGT Biology from Arunodaya Public Senior Secondary School. Overall, the event was a great success and students amazed the jury with their abilities and enthusiasm. They proved that a science festival is a festival that showcases science and technology with the same freshness and flair that would be expected from an arts or music. This year marked as 147th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was also known as Iron Man of India. Students of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New LAYAL PUR, celebrated the day by a unity run with great enthusiasm to emphasize the fact that unity is strength. Stay tuned for many more updates and keep watching R.P.M News.